So to adjust the volume on an audio clip, what you need to do is click on the audio track that you have and then go up here into the source panel, and where it says volume, you're going to click this here to open up the menu. You want to click on the stopwatch that says level, which will get rid of any keyframes. We don't want those. And then you go right here where this number slider is, where the decibels are, and you can increase it. So let's say you want to increase it by like 5 decibels. You can go like this, and that will increase the volume level. So to add a constant gain onto an audio clip, just make sure that you click on it and then go over here to the effects panel and go where it says audio transitions and open up crossfade, and you can find constant gain in there and you can drop it on like this. If you double click it, you can set the duration of this transition. So if you want it to be like 2 seconds, you can just type 2 in there, and that will make the constant gain last that duration of time. The other audio edit that you can do if you want to fade a track in and out, let me undo this constant gain. If you click on your little wrench tool right there and make sure that you have audio keyframes selected, I'm going to go back and turn it on. You can see it gives you this line right there. That is the volume level. If you have that on and then you take your pen tool, you can click and make a point on there on the that line, and then make another point. You can have your volume fading in and out like this. You can even like lower the whole volume by dragging that point up and down as well.